Huh?
If I want to
You're mean.
Oh, fine.
Here you go. Let me see. Let me see. Make sure. All right. Now take it, and you know how to muddle.
I know how to do
Okay. You do it then. Put some effort into it, child. You already look like you're getting worn out. You can do it, Gracie. You can do it. Muddle, 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 muddler. It's muddle.
Stinks.
That's Chloe, or that's what it is.
Why do you have to put, like, nasty things?
It's not nasty. It's because you're using it in its pure form, which is very strong. That's why you don't use a cup of cinnamon, because it's in its pure form. Want me to do it for you?
No, I got this.
You sure? You gotta get it as fine as you can.
Yeah, you can do this.
Yeah, let me see. There you go. Hold this. Got it. Or keep doing it like that, okay? Doing good? Okay.